Welcome to Modentum Education.
Listening, Part 1. Listening to problem solving. You will hear a conversation in 3 sections. After each section, you will hear 2 or 3 questions. Choose the best answer to each question.
Morning, Chloe. Sorry to bother you, but I'm having trouble uploading the final video for the Johnson project. It keeps stopping at 14% and then displays upload interrupted.
Did it give any technical error code?
Just error 504, gateway timeout. I tried twice already.
That usually happens when the file is too large for the server to process in a single request. What's the file size?
Around 4.8 gigabytes. It's a long video with 4K footage and motion graphics.
That explains it. The portal has a 3 gigabyte limit, even though they don't advertise it clearly. You'll need to compress the video or reduce the render quality slightly.
I'll try compressing it, but I hope it doesn't ruin the quality. The client specifically requested studio-level clarity.
Question 1.
Why does Brandon think the upload is failing?
Question 2.
What quality level did the client request?
Question 3.
What solution does Chloe suggest?
Chloe, I compressed the video. It's now 2.9 gigabytes, barely under the limit. But when I tried uploading, it gave a different error. Audio codec not supported.
Huh. What codec did you export with?
AAC for the first audio layer, but the second layer used PCM because the music track required higher fidelity.
The client portal only accepts AAC. PCM won't work there. You'll need to render the entire audio track in AAC or merge the layers and convert them.
That's going to take at least an hour to re-render.
Yes, but there's no way around it. Also, if you want to avoid another issue, double-check that the frame rate is fixed at 30 frames per second. Variable frame rates sometimes crash their system.
I'll check that. This portal is way more restrictive than I thought.
Question 4.
Why does the upload fail after compression?
Question 5.
What does Chloe say about the frame rate?
Question 6.
What concern does Brandon express?
Good news, Chloe. The file finally uploaded. But right before the confirmation page, the portal gave another message. Verification failed. Metadata mismatch.
Oh no. That means the metadata stored in the file doesn't match what the portal expects. Did you edit the project name or version number before exporting?
Yes. I changed the project title to Johnson_final_V6 because the earlier version had a typo.
That explains it. The portal still expects the metadata to show V5. You'll need to update the metadata manually or rename the export to match the old version.
Seriously, that seems so unnecessary.
Their system is very strict. Just rename and re-upload. It should work this time.
Question 7.
Why does the verification fail?
Question 8.
What solution does Chloe recommend?